Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. So in my videos about the Python tutorial, some friends were asking me about what kind of platform that I'm using to show the Python examples. Actually, it's called a Pycharm. Today in my video, I will introduce how do we do with the Pycharm. So how do we use it? So Pycharm is an integrated development environment. It's called a Python IDE. First, let's type in the Pycharm in Google. Then for the first link, Pycharm, the Python IDE for professional developers. So let's click the download page. Here you will see that it has three platforms, Windows, Mac, or Linux. I will go with Windows. So for each platform, they have professional choice and a community choice. I will go with the community choice because it's totally free for personal use. Then I click the download link. It will download. After you download, you need to install that on your computer. Here is my installed Pycharm here. So here, this interface, it shows the first step of the open Pycharm. So first, let me go and create a new project. Then I give a new name, say Python tutorial, Python study. Then I set up an interpreter. Here I will choose my existing one because I already installed Python version 3.7 as my interpreter. Then I click create. Then it will load some kind of background software or package. So it's a little bit slow. There you go. Here you set up a new project. It's called a Python study. So then within this project, I'm going to create a Python file, whatever Python file. Say, so learn variables. Then I click Python file. So it's scanning some kind of background package here. So be patient here. There you go. This is your first Python file. For example, I can do say var name equal to hello world. Then print variable. Then after you finish some kind of so type your programming here. So after you finish that, you can go with here the right click, then go to run learn variables. It will run the program here. It will show the print the result to the terminal here. Say hello world. So I think that's all. Hopefully you can enjoy that. Oh, by the way, another interesting thing is that don't forget to set up the interpreter so it can be accessed through the file settings interpreter. Remember to choose the proper interpreter. Here I'm using that Python 3.7. So okay, thank you. Hopefully I can see you in my other videos.